Well, that looks like a nice hole. Knew I want to chance it. Golly. There's an inch in here. See what it is. I don't have good waterproof boots on for this. Oh yeah. My foot is wet. Yeah, buddy. Once you're in there, you might as well just go. There ain't nothing you can do. And I picked a wonderful time to do this. I wonder if I can. Let's see. We'll just go there. Walk it through here. Well, if I fall off it, well. I'll drop it off in there. Ain't too bad. Can't let a few spots stop you from exploring. That little spot made me nervous. This 705 will dump you quick. Especially stuff like this that's clay. Come on. There we go. Yep. Alright. That came through somewhere else. Let's see. Now this stuff's gonna be slick. Go slow. Front tire wobbling. Yep. Oh my God. This is gonna be terrible. Bad idea. Bad, bad, bad. We are going down today. Woo. God, this is so slick. I'm gonna have to Google car wash for sure. Woo-hoo-hoo. So this is why I run a one finger clutch. I keep all my fingers on the clutch or on the handlebars. And just use one finger. That's what I'm talking about. That 705 will dip you down quick. Well. Oh. leg got hung in a vine. I haven't even looked. I don't know how far down I am. I might have passed that little road I was looking at. Stop right up here and take a look, because I done went a pretty good ways and I haven't been paying attention to my sides. Yep, buddy. Late week. Late week. Ronnie Coleman. If you're in lifting weights, oh, my pegs are slick. God, I gotta upgrade these dudes. No trail so far. I might just have to ride this all the way out and start over. I don't like going back. I like to try to find new ways out instead of just turning around. Oh yeah, slick, 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 slick. Stay up, stay up. Woo! I'm like a duck out here, duck walking this dude. Oh, this stuff's so slick. I'm out here with the street tires pretty much. I got a GPS tractionator on the back, which I don't care about a non-aggressive tire on the rear. I can handle the rear. It's the front. When it dips out on you, you're pretty much done. Now this might be the stopping point, because that looks terrible. Alright. Get it past me. Can't stop a KLR. Get all this crap off here. So I was gonna ride this last weekend when it was dry. At my house we got like almost 4 inches of rain, and I checked over here. There's an app I use called Raindrop, where you can see how much rain area's got, and it only showed like 1 inch to 1/2 inch. So I was like, oh, that's not gonna be too bad. I never did look for a trail to the right. Oh well. Run this out and start over, I guess. Oh, this stuff is snot. I'm out here with a 705 doing this. Boy. Let's see. seen a vehicle. I'm close to the road. Woo! Woo! Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. Yeah, see this. I kind of slowed down right here because I thought this was the entrance. I was like, oh my Lord, this is not gonna be good. All right. This thing's covered.